Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by securing a backup and turning on developer options, then enable USB debugging on the device so ADB can connect. Once done, open Settings and go directly to Security, Trust Agents, and note the exact package name. This prevents guessing. Next, connect to your computer, confirm ADB recognizes the device with a DB devices, and keep the device unlocked. Do not proceed if ADB cannot list it, because changes need confirmation. You now revoke Device Administrator, rights link to the Trust Agent. Go Settings, right arrow Security, right arrow Device Admin Apps, and untick it. Then run a DB shell PM disable user 0 package. Name: this hides and disables the agent without deleting system files. If the package resists, reboot into safe mode and remove updates or uninstall the app layer. Safe mode prevents third-party processes from blocking removal. Make sure each command returns success before moving on. Finish by uninstalling for the current user with a DB shell PM uninstall user 0 package. Name, then reboot the device to apply changes fully. Once restarted, verify in Settings right arrow Security, right arrow Trust Agents that the entry is gone and that related features behave normally. If something breaks, clear the cache of affected apps, re-enable USB debugging, and repeat the disable step, or restore your backup. Key troubleshooting tip: if the agent won't uninstall, boot to recover.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.